Hey, what's up, guys? It's Mitch with SC Weather. Hey, so here's the cone of what will likely be Tropical Storm Arthur, at least what the National Weather Service is saying. Uh, so, you know, it's looking like it's going to impact parts of eastern North Carolina, and not just with rip currents, but with rain bands and some gusty winds. Nothing crazy, but this is the GFS. The GFS has this thing going right into the Outer Banks of North Carolina, and what will likely be a very low-end subtropical storm. And the reason they call it subtropical storm, guys, because it's technically not hurricane season yet. So that's why. So that's not going to impact our weather much at all. Just some high winds not high winds, guys. High large waves at the beach, rip currents. Tomorrow into Monday. Nothing that's a big deal. So what we do have here is a cutoff low that's going to spin, and we're going to be real brief with this. It's just going to spin around the southeast and give us chances of rain here in the Carolinas nearly every day next week. This is Tuesday. We get into Wednesday. Still a chance of rain. Now, this is the GFS, and as usual, it's not very detailed like a short-term model or anything like that. But we're about to show the NAM, which has came into range now, and we can get a general idea of what we can expect storm-wise for what looks like it's going to be a stormy Monday. So as we get to the end of the week, Friday, it looks like we get into the weekend. We finally get this cutoff low on out the way. But the cutoff low that develops is going to bring in a cold front. And with this cold front, we're going to have maybe some isolated strong storms, but I think a big threat here is going to be a line of storms that moves from the southwest to the northeast and sweeps through almost the entire state. As you see here, this is Monday afternoon into evening, and a line of storms really develops with some stronger and maybe severe storms out ahead of it. It may be in supercell in nature, but I don't think we have too much of a supercell threat to worry about here. But, you never know. We're going to watch here. But it looks like a line of storms forms. And it just continues to get its act together throughout late. So we get to around the 8 o'clock range here Monday. And now this timing, guys, is going to be tweaked. This is in the long range of the NAM, which is a little bit inaccurate sometimes. But check out Arthur. What will likely be Arthur over there off the coast of North Carolina. Just spinning around out there, about to head on out to the wherever it's going to head. It might get sucked in by the cutoff low, or it might go out to sea. But anyways, here, check out this line of storms starting to go through the PD, and we get an area that, maybe some more rain that develops in Georgia and works its way back into the state. But I tell you what, Monday, we're already in a marginal risk right now, but Monday may be a good day to watch out for some, our first severe weather here in almost 2 weeks. And a lot of areas are first rain in almost 2 weeks. So we're going to get through this here. This starts to get later into the night, overnight Monday into Tuesday morning. And we have more showers. These don't really look like storms. They're just kind of wrapping away through. And this cold front will bring in cooler air also for the middle part of next week. But check it out. Monday temperatures. Now you see 82, 84. You think, hey, man, that's not that hot. But it is. This is going to be a steamy day Monday. Very steamy, very humid. We're about to get to the dew point graphics here coming up. Now, this is dew points right here. Check this out. Dew points in the upper 60s to near 70. I think this may be our most humid day of the year so far coming up on Monday. And when you match up temperatures with humidity, extremely humid. And it's basically just juice to the atmosphere to what will end up being a line of storms, or just storms in general. It could be severe storms Monday. This is Cape. Cape levels are getting pretty high up there. You're getting into the 15 to 2,000 range here in the Cape. So, you're going to have some storm fuel, storm energy to work with Monday. And so it's just something we have to watch. It's going to be out of head to line. Obviously, when the line moves through, the atmosphere stabilizes and the storm threat dies. But the environment is going to be set Monday for, I think, some strong to severe storms for parts of the state, guys. So I'm going to get more deeper into that and really focus and hone in on the severe weather potential for Monday and what may end up being a very rainy week. Has the potential to have a lot of rain. That's all I got, guys. Y'all have an awesome night.